The 5th district of Budapest is definitely the one that doesn't need much of an introduction. This is the district of the Parliament, the St. Stephen's Basilica, the Deák Ferenc Square, and actually the whole heart of the Pest side. But what else can you find in this district? Watch this video and you will find out. Hi, my name is Petra. I'm a Hungarian living in Budapest, and today I will be your guide through the 5th district of this wonderful city. As I said in the beginning, this district is literally the heart of the Pest side. It's located right in the middle, next to the Danube. It's the 3rd smallest district with a 2.6 square kilometer area, but it has a population of a little less than 22,000 people, which makes it a really dense populated part of the city. If we talk about the transportation, this district gives us many opportunities. All 4 metro lines have some stations in this district, but what's really important to mention is what's on the surface. Here comes and goes one of the prettiest tram line in the world, the tram number 2, that goes all along the Danube and the Parliament, and I truly recommend you to get on this lane at least once while you're here, because it's such a unique and beautiful experience. Other important lines are the tram number 23, 47 and 49, and the bus number 15 and 115. This part of the city is one of the oldest one of Budapest. Its foundation was laid in the 11th century. Unfortunately, not many memories of the old city has survived, but we can still find some traces if we walk carefully in the inner streets that shows us where the old city walls stood. But there's one bigger part of the old wall that we can still see and visit, and this is this one right behind me. This wall has 3 gates, one at the place that we know today as Astoria, one at the Váci Street and one at the Kecskeméti Street. Unfortunately, all 3 was demolished during the 18th and the 19th century. Okay, I think that was enough of the history of this part of the city. Now let's summarize the main attractions of this district. It's no secret that one of the main sites of the 5th district is the Parliament that Hungarians call Országház, in English, the House of the Country. It was inaugurated in 1896, which is the year of the Hungarian millennium, the 1000th anniversary of the existence of Hungary. If you want to explore this beautiful building on the inside, you can do it, but you have to pay quite a big amount of money. What's also a downside is that the guided tour is 45 minutes long, which is not much in my opinion if we compare it to the size of this beautiful building. What was a complete shock to me is that the price for non-EEA citizens is exactly the double. I don't think that's a nice thing to do. But if you want to stay as budget-friendly as possible, there are many things to check out around the Parliament itself. The next main attraction is the St. Stephen's Basilica, which is the place where the Holy Right, the mummified right hand of St. Stephen I, is housed. The surrounding area is also really charming, so I highly recommend to walk around this wonderful building. What's really great about the 5th district, in my opinion, is that it gives us a lot of opportunity to sit back and relax under the trees or next to a nice garden. Let's see how many green areas the 5th district has. After we walk around the district, we have to get back some energy, so let me show you where we ate. So this was the 5th district of Budapest. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Check out the other parts of the series if you haven't already, and subscribe to my channel for more Hungary and Budapest related content, and see you in the next one. Bye!